Bunching. No, not an uncomfortable thing your genes do, but rather I'm talking about a useful charitable technique that lots of folks are using nowadays with recent tax law changes. You see, in 2018 they changed the law so that everyone now gets a $12,000 standard deduction or $24,000 if you're married. That's the standard deduction that you'll use in your taxes unless you get to itemize your tax deductions. So we had a couple that gives $10,000 per year to charity. And when we were talking with them this past December, they still needed to write those checks, which they plan to do before December 31st. So let's look at what happens if they give those checks to the charities before December 31st, as they were planning to do, and comparing it to what would happen if they had waited until after January 1st, as we suggested. It's just a few days difference to the charity, but it could save them and you thousands of dollars in taxes. Here's how it works. Here's how they're doing it right now. If they're making a $10,000 charitable contribution and they've got $10,000 of state and local taxes, they have a total of $20,000 in deductible expenses, which is less than the $24,000 standard deduction. So we use the $24,000, they save 40% in tax for a total of $9,600 in tax savings. Nice tax benefit, really generous gift. Same thing happens in 2021. We use a $24,000 standard deduction. They save 40% again, and again they save $9,600. So the total in the 2 years, $19,200 in tax savings. Awesome. If instead they took our suggestion and they didn't send that check before December 31st, they'd only have it zero for charitable this year. So they're still less than the $24,000 itemized standard deduction. So we use that, they'll save $9,600 just like they did before, but in 2021, now they're going to have $20,000 in charitable deduction, $10,000 state and local taxes for an itemized deduction of $30,000. Now we deduct $30,000, we save 40% on that, and we save $12,000 in taxes. Total savings this way, $21,600 versus $19,200 the way that they were doing it. It's $2,400 more in their pocket just by waiting a few days to send those checks. If you'd like to learn about these types of techniques, or if you have questions about any of this, please go to lineawealth.com or give us a call. Thank you, and please confirm all tax and legal comments with your own tax and legal advisors. Again, thanks.